When we talk about nouns, we often encounter two main categories: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Understanding the difference between these two can really enhance our grasp of language and communication. Let's start with concrete nouns. These are the tangible things we can see, touch, smell, hear, or taste. Think about an apple. You can hold it in your hand, feel its texture, and taste its sweetness. Other examples include mountain, which you can hike up, or dog, which you can pet. Even names like Sarah or John fall into this category because they refer to specific individuals we can interact with. Now, let's shift gears to abstract nouns. These are a bit trickier because they represent ideas, feelings, or concepts that we can't physically touch. For instance, happiness is an abstract noun. You can't grab happiness like you can grab a book, but you can certainly feel it. Other examples include freedom, which embodies a concept we all value, or courage, which is a quality we admire in others. So, how do we identify these nouns? A good rule of thumb is to ask yourself whether you can experience the noun through your senses. If you can, it's likely a concrete noun. For example, ocean is concrete because you can see the waves and hear the crashing water. On the other hand, fear is abstract. You can feel it, but you can't see or touch it. Let's look at some more examples. Concrete nouns include car, tree, and pizza. You can see these items and they occupy physical space. In contrast, abstract nouns include love, knowledge, and ambition. These are concepts that exist in our minds and hearts, but they don't have a physical form. In everyday language, we often use both types of nouns together to convey our thoughts more vividly. For instance, you might say, "The joy of holding a newborn baby is overwhelming." Here, joy is abstract, while baby is concrete. This combination helps paint a clearer picture of the experience. Another interesting aspect is that some nouns can be both concrete and abstract, depending on the context. Take the word light. In one context, it can refer to the physical light from a lamp, making it concrete. In another, it can represent enlightenment or understanding, which is abstract. Understanding these distinctions not only enriches our vocabulary, but also enhances our ability to express complex ideas. When we can articulate both concrete and abstract concepts, we become more effective communicators. So, next time you're writing or speaking, take a moment to consider the nouns you're using. Are they concrete, abstract, or perhaps a mix of both? This awareness can elevate your language skills and make your communication more impactful.